Welcome. If you wanna use dual application on your Huawei P30 Lite or Twin Up, whatever you call it, let's move to the settings for the first. Click on the search and type here Twin. Click on the app Twin, and as you can see, right here we can just log to the two different accounts for the same application at the same time. And currently we have only one application that supports this mode. It is Facebook, so let's activate it. Okay, and right now Twin application icon was added to the home screen, so let's back to the home screen, and there's the Twin icon, and there's the original icon. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.